Hello, my name is Carolyn Gill and I'm your Modern Language Specialist for Vista Higher Learning. Thank you for your interest in our programs. I am going to give you a brief overview of the Supersite so you can get in and take a look at the content. We're here on my landing page, and once you receive your access and log in, you'll see the textbooks for which you have requested access on the left side. Simply click on the cover of one of the books and you'll enter your landing page. This is a trial course for 30 days. It is an example. You have some students in your course as well as some assignments to grade. You have your sections highlighted here. We're going to be navigating up at the top here through courses, content, calendar, grades, and communication. We'll first take a quick look at calendar, which is where you will see all of your assignments on the calendar, and students see the same thing. Your grades are where your grades are housed. There are many activities in the Supersite that are auto-graded. They're graded by the Supersite, and then those grades go automatically into your gradebook, which is a time-saving tool for you. Communication is where you'll find your announcements. There's also an excellent forum that you can use, which allows you to post questions for your students, attach video, audio, etc. Students would respond to your question, and then students respond to other students. So they're using multiple modes of communication. Back to content, which is where you're going to spend most of your time most likely. Looking at the activities for the program, you'll see that each strand has a collection of activities with some clear iconography that tell you if it's an audio activity, if it's an auto-graded activity, if it's an instructor-graded activity. We also have various types of communicative activities in the Supersite, such as a virtual chat, which is where a student will chat virtually with an avatar, record the conversation, and then send it to you, as well as partner chats, where students are communicating with one another outside of the classroom. Both audio and video is recorded, like in a Skype conversation, and that activity is sent, the response is sent to you for your evaluation. You can click on any of the strands. You will see the various activities highlighted, and you can navigate around and even click on the activities and, check out the content of one activity. I encourage you to contact me with any questions. Again, thank you for your consideration, and I look forward to hearing from you very soon. Have a good day.